The 2010 Volkswagen Touareg by JE Design. It seems JE Design has a little of a crush on Volkswagen as they are constantly tuning models from the German marque. And since we have a new generation Touareg, it would only make sense that the German tuner would follow right behind with a new tuning package for it. Making the Touareg even sportier than the SUV already is, JE Design has added a new sports radiator grille, front spoiler, front and back wheel arch kit, rear apron insert, roof spoiler, and rear hatch blend, all made in polyurethane. And like the excellent tuners they are, JE Design didn't stop at the exterior modifications. After fiddling around with the engine using optimized engine management, the tuner was able to boost the performance of the 4.2-liter TDI engine to 410 HP and 930 Nm of torque. This increase provides the Volkswagen Touareg with a 0 to 60 mph sprint time of 5.4 seconds and a top speed of 167 mph. Along with the engine modifications, JE Design has also provided the SUV with a pneumatic electronic suspension lowering module that can lower the SUV's ride by 35 mm, dual exhaust pipes, and, of course, a new set of wheels. Press release. After the jump press release, the new Touareg grew 4 cm in length in comparison to its predecessor. But only JE Design enhances the width of this large VW as well. The new JE Design widebody kit in combination with the aluminium wheels and lower suspension setting bestows the SUV from Wolfsburg with significantly higher road dominance and an increased overtake prestige. The increased performance honors the wide construction's promise in an impressive manner. The JE Design widebody kit provides a completely new style for the Touareg, with a new sports radiator grille, front spoiler, front and back wheel arch kit, rear apron insert, roof spoiler and rear hatch blend for €4,998 including VAT. Non-committal price recommendation. All of the components are fitted precisely, manufactured from polyurethane (PU), and will be delivered already primed. The new additional headlights also provide the large Volkswagen with an even more unique front view, not only the components' perfect alignment, but also the ability to combine the components with all models of this series speaks for the engineering of the customizer from Leingarten, Germany. The widebody kit is developed to accommodate the Touareg standard version, but is also precisely fitted to accommodate designer packages, chrome and style, as well as terrain style. The pivot trailer hitch can also be used as well as the different Volkswagen muffler tips, regardless whether round or trapezium shaped. The JE Design widebody kit is designed to support it. Alternatively, the JE Design offers dual exhaust pipes for €595, which channels the exhaust fumes left and right through round beveled stainless steel pipes in a diameter of 90 mm. However, JE Design is not limited to the visual transformation of the Touareg. Thanks to optimized engine management, the performance of the 4.2-liter TDI engine has increased to 410 horsepower, 302 kilowatts versus the previous 340 horsepower, 250 kilowatts, and the maximum torque takes a leap from 800 to 930 Nm. Therefore, the acceleration of this more than 2-ton vehicle from 0 to 100 km/h only takes 5.4 instead of 5.8 seconds, and the top speed now no longer ends at 242 but at 269 km/h instead. The price of €2,999 already includes a 1-year warranty for the engine, the turbocharger, the transmission and the power train, and can be extended to 2 years for an additional €199. To ensure the newfound power is utilized to its full capacity on the road, the pneumatic electronic suspension lowering module will bring the vehicle's 35 mm lower to the ground for a price of €1,428. As a result, the new aluminium wheels appear especially impressive. JE Design equips the Wolfsburg vehicle with the SUV Select design, 10 by 12-inch aluminium wheels, back and front. For a total of €409, the 30 mm wheel spacers on the front axle and 40 mm wheel spacers on the back axle additionally ensure that the wheel housing is optimally completed. For individual coordination, the wheels are available in 4 different finishes: shadow silver with a polished front surface, matte black with a matte silver front surface, graphite shiny silver with polished rim, and matte graphite silver with polished rim. However, custom-painted wheels are also available without problem so that each Touareg can become a customized vehicle. Je Design offers the complete wheel package for €5,190. Single wheels are available for €690 each. The complete Je Design upgrade, including assembly, paint and TÜV registration, is available for €19,750. Of course, Je Design will provide the respective TÜV assessments for each component, so the specified assessments can be added to the vehicle registration without problem. Additionally, despite the performance increase, the Touareg is still in compliance with emission regulations and therefore eliminates problems during the emission control inspection.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.